Troy the train.
Troy the train.
Hello, Troy. You headed into Car City? Oh boy, Edgar. It looks as though you've made quite a mess. You need some help cleaning all this up before the rest of the crew gets back? You're right, Troy. We need to head to the warehouse and find a new vehicle who can pick all these materials up. Don't worry, Edgar. We'll be back soon with help. All right, let's find our newest friend. Which vehicle can help us clean up the construction site? A tanker? A forklift? A candy car? Good thinking, Troy. A forklift can pick up all those construction materials. Almost here. Let's get the forklift back to the construction site. We should unload the pieces first. Ooh, it's coming together now. Hi there, forklift. What's your name? Francis? It's great to meet you, Francis. Welcome to Car City. Francis, we have an important job for you. Our construction site is a mess. Can you help clean it up? Great. Let's do it. Okay, let's get started with those beams. Can you stack them? That's perfect, Francis. Now, why don't you tidy up the pallets? And those wood planks, too. Great job. The place is looking better already. Looks like you could use some tidying up too, Edgar. Great idea, Troy. Let's give Edgar a bath. Francis, want to hose Edgar off? Much better, Edgar. Now the construction site is really clean. Thanks again, Francis. See you later. Bye, friends. See you next time.